2019 Z06 cold start video.
You'll give some gas and I'll report it.
Okay.
Sorry, Rex.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, I can't get in. Good. Dual mode exhaust. The exhaust vents are actually closed.